Are you struggling with reviewing or sharing detailed form submission entries in Monday.com? Well, form submissions often contain long text fields that are hard to read in Monday.com's board view. With DocExport, you can automatically convert each form submission into a clean, well-formatted PDF, using your own DocX template to match your brand. You can generate PDFs manually or automatically with custom recipes triggered by form submissions, thus when an item is created or when a status changes. You can even email the generated PDFs automatically to the requester or any stakeholder using a custom email template. It's perfect for sharing summaries without giving board access. Let me show you how it works. In our example, we're the marketing department receiving and managing marketing requests through a form submission process. Of course, this also works for many other use cases like employee onboarding, event registration, travel requests, vendor applications, and performance feedback. So, first we need to create a template for our use case. You can create your own template from scratch or download our example template from our website. To save some time, that's what I will do. Open the DocX template in Microsoft Word and adjust the style. You can add your logo, header, footer, or change the font and size to match your brand. You can also change or add placeholders. For example, if you want to insert content from your target audience column, the placeholder would be item.targetAudience. If you need more detailed instructions on customizing your template or adding more information from your Monday.com board, please visit our Help Center or check out our video on how to work with templates. Once you're happy with your template, upload it as a DocX file to DocExport. Go to the DocExport V2 board view, click on Upload Custom Word Template and then Upload New Template. You will instantly see a preview of your PDF. If you want to make further changes, simply repeat the steps and upload another version of your DocX file via the Customize Document button right here. Next, let's talk about the email. Usually, the next step would be to automate the PDF creation. But since we want to send the request summary PDF with the custom email template to our requester, we will set that up first. But I will also show you how to create custom email templates on the fly when adding actions and automations later. To create a custom email template, click on More, go to Email Templates and select Add Email Template. Define the name of your email template by clicking on the Name field. Customize your email template by entering a custom subject line and defining the email body. You can use the text editor and create your HTML template from scratch, or directly copy your HTML code into the email body field by switching to the code view. You can also use placeholders in your custom email templates, for example, if you want to output the name of the document that is attached to the email. Now that both the DocX template and the custom email template are ready, you can define actions. Go back to the DocExport Start view, select your template and click on Actions Automations. Here you can define what should happen with your document after it's created. In this example, we want to save it to a file column called PDF Brief, send an email with the PDF attached to the email address in the Requester email column, using the custom email template Custom Marketing Email Template. As you can see here, you are also able to create a new custom email template right on the fly and skip the step in the settings if you want to. But if you want to change, edit, or delete something, you always need to go back to the settings. And the final action is to give it a custom file name. You can also use placeholders in the file name. I'll go for marketing request from today from item.contact. Finally, let's automate the process. So these actions happen automatically as soon as we receive a new request. click on Integrate in the top right corner of your board and search for DocExport. Don't worry if it doesn't appear straight away. It may take a few seconds to load, especially if you're loading it for the first time. We want to trigger the automation for each new form submission, so we select when an item is created, create document using DocExport recipe. And we select the recipe we just saved. And that's it. Let's give it a try by going back to the form and submitting a test request. As you can see, by submitting the form, the marketing request summary PDF is generated and saved in the file column. At the same time, our requester also received an email with our custom email template and the PDF attached. And that's how easy it is to convert form submissions into branded PDFs using DocExport. On our website, you can find more use cases, templates, and an overview of supported features. No matter the document, no matter the use case, DocExport makes it happen.